Alright, now that we've installed Nmap, it's time to do what hackers and security experts love the most: scanning networks. In this video, I'll show you the basic Nmap commands that every beginner must know. These are the building blocks. Once you master them, you can move on to advanced stealth scans, firewall bypassing, and even vulnerability detection. So, let's jump straight in. 1. Scanning a single target. The simplest Nmap scan looks like this: nmapscanme.org. This command will scan the server scanme.org, which is set up by Nmap creators for practice. When I hit enter, boom, check mark. Nmap shows me the open ports, the services running, and sometimes even the versions. 2. Scanning by IP address. You don't always need a domain. You can scan directly by IP address. For example, Nmap 192.168.204.167. This will scan that specific machine inside your local network. 3. Scanning multiple targets. What if you want to scan more than one target? Easy. Just separate them with a space. Nmap 45.33.32.1 5619 2.168.20 4.167. Now it will scan both IPs one after the other. 4. Scanning a range of IPs. You can even scan a range of IP addresses. For example, Nmap 192.168.1.1-50. This will scan from .1 all the way to .50 in your subnet. 5. Scanning a whole subnet. And finally, if you want to scan an entire subnet, just use CIDR notation: Nmap 192.168.1.0/24. This will scan all 256 hosts in that subnet. Perfect for mapping out an entire network. Bonus tip: if you ever forget the options, just type nmap-h. This shows you the full help menu with every command and flag available. So, to recap, you just learned how to run the most important basic Nmap scans: single target, multiple targets, IP ranges, entire subnets. In the next video, we'll level up and start exploring port scanning techniques: SYN scan, TCP, Connect scan, UDP scan, and more. That's where you'll see the real power of Nmap. If this video helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the advanced scanning lessons coming next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.